All right, welcome to the channel. It's a nice cool fall day. I want to show you my bird feeder. Yes, another bird feeder. Okay, I'm gonna replace this one here. It's okay. Empty, look at that. This got broken here, the hook, so it's getting ready to not hang anymore. You know, I guess I could fix it. I may keep this, but I wanted to try something different. Empty all that out. Yeah. But anyway, I wanted to try something different, so I picked up a different kind of bird feeder. This one here is okay. You know, it's a double-sided dual feed. You know, smaller stuff on this side, and you can have like just the sunflower seeds on this side. You know, whatever. Pretty cool. But like I said, I want to try something different. So I picked this up. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. Relatively cheap. I wanted to try one of these, just like, you know, platform feeder. A hanging platform. Okay. So like some of the bigger birds, so it's a bigger perch for them. They don't have to, you know, try to get in and sit on that little perch. They come right in, and I can put all different kinds of stuff in here. So let's open this up and see what we got. All right, let's just rip this open. Here we go. Okay, so the tray comes right out. It's nice, painted black, lots of holes so the water can drain through it. Okay. Now this is the only thing I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Let's see. Do is just try to hang that up. All right. Let's see. There we go. There we go. This is getting all tangled up here. That's what the problem. There we go. All right. Okay. The chain was all tangled up. So now what I do is put that in there like that. Put the bird seed in there. All right. Let me get some bird seed. I'll just set this on the ground for now. You know, I keep all my seed in here. Got a cup in there, just sunflower seeds. And I'll just pour it all in there. See how long it lasts? Yeah. They'll probably eat that right up. No time. You know what else? I got a lot of blue jays. You know what blue jays like? Peanuts. Let's see if the blue jays come. They're usually morning though, so we'll see. I don't know. Now my only thing is am I going to be able to hook this on? We'll see. It might be a little bit too tall. Oh, there's a blue jay. Let's see if I can hook this on. I may have a problem because it might be a little bit too tall. Yeah, let's see. Hey. Oh, yeah. That might be an issue. Oh. Let me put the camera down and see if I can stretch here. All right. Well, you know what I got? I got a pail so I can stand on and hook it up. There we go. Let's hook it up in there. There we go. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Well, you know what? So I might have to just bring the seed out now and dump it in there because I can't get it down myself, you know. So, you know, there. So I'll have to just leave that up and just pour the seed in. Yeah. Underneath there, let's see if anybody likes it. Go ahead. Go in there. Dee 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 dee. Look at all the chickadees. Chickadees. Chickadee dee 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 dee. There you go. Oh, what are you? I don't know what you are. Look at all them. Oh, go in there. You're almost in there, chickadee. There you go. Well, we'll see if the blue jays come. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I do, you know, bird stuff. You know, feeding my birds outside. Got a few videos on that. A few videos on chipmunks and stuff like that I feed. I have a few how-to videos. A couple camping videos and some review videos on camping supplies and stuff. So if any of that interests you, basically how-tos, camping, outdoor stuff. It's all outdoor stuff, really. Hit that subscribe button. Okay? Link for this pedestal bird feeder, whatever you want to call it, plate type thing, bird feeder. Well, there'll be a link in the description below if you're interested. And you know what to do. And we'll see you in the next videos. Thanks. Bye.